This is elders of Biafra land. They visited Ezioku Bundu 2 in Oyibo, River State. Ezioku Bundu, I know that today you declare yourself as a Biafra. I know it's come from your mind.
Yes, by birth I'm a Biafra. You can't deny what they call it, your mother's home, where you come out from. Your placenta that carry you, they born you. Somebody present the placenta to you, you say no, I didn't come out of it. You can't deny your placenta.
Okay.
This is where I come out from.
Okay.
It's in my blood.
Okay.
You don't deny that.
Okay. I hope you supported your son, your brother, being Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra.
Yes. And what I will declare is this. I don't mad when you're bagging I don't mad now. I did your job now. I have to go put now documents. They're born. I'm making it. I declare the documents are in the born or Nakamad or Nakamo. I know Jesus.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes. You say, oh no, you have had your son, Ezioku Bundu 2 in Oyibo. Do you have anything to say to him or to tell us?
Yes. Today,
make it brief.
I bring the gospel of Biafra and Satan to him.
Okay.
Officially, not because he is not a Biafra, but we want to respect the power.
Okay.
And that is why we are here. But for the fact that he welcomed the Biafra even before our arrival, I am giving him my highest support from today.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, for the fact I've taken the oath, he is now one of us. I cannot do without him.
That means you are letting us know that IPob is behind him.
Yes.
Thank you.
When it is going to happen, and when it happens, your eyes will clear, and about whom you will see it very clearly. I was warning you. In 2014, 2015, 2016, they said he's a warmonger. He's a warmongering. I went to America and I told World Igbo Congress that this war you are avoiding is going to come to your villages. They said, no, it's not going to happen. What is happening today? When Yoruba was supporting the dead idiot called Buhari, did I not warn them that this evil you're supporting will consume you? They never listened. They never wanted to listen. IPob is a terrorist group. You're trying to divide Nigeria. But Mietiana is not. People that you are calling bandits, have you heard anybody come out to say, please, Buhari, since presidency is there defending terrorists in the forest, why don't you proscribe them? No, you cannot proscribe a Fulani group. Never. And all of you, we are supporting evil. When there is the proscribed IPob, proscribed indigenous people of Biafra. These are Yoruba journalists writing junk. Every day they keep writing rubbish. But their land is under siege. Their land is under siege. And the Fulani will take it. It doesn't take time. So I am here today to encourage them that they must stand tall and be very strong, resolute. That is what Fulani does. They control the media. They have well-paid consultants all over the world doing their bidding for them. They have that woman at UN trying to lobby the world that everything is okay in the zoo called Nigeria. But you and I know that the zoo is not okay. You and I know the game plan of the Fulani. And what are you doing about it? Nothing. Every day you read, you lament, you complain. Every day you read, you lament. And that's all you do. That is all you do. You read, you lament, you complain. You do nothing about it. Your lives are being taken away from you. Your forests are being occupied. Your mothers are being raped. Your daughters are being abducted. And the whole national government, presidency, is supporting such people. And you're telling me that Nigeria is viably sustainable. Is that what you're telling me? That somehow this contraption is sustainable, it is viable.